Let's decorate my September monthly spread in my Catch-All Classic Happy Planner. Hi everyone, this is Angie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I thought we would decorate my September monthly spread in my Catch-All Happy Planner, and this just happens to be my birthday month. So I wanted to use the Kellofaplan Birthday Basics Volume 2. This sticker book released in 2023. I believe this one is still available. I will have an affiliate link in my description if you'd be interested in purchasing this sticker book or any of Heather's other sticker books. I also thought we may have to pull some boxes from PASTEL Basics Volume 2. This one is fairly new. It just released here recently. I've pulled some stickers for holidays from Happy Planner Happy Year sticker book. I went through all my Happy Planner books and pulled out all of the holiday stickers because I could never remember which books they were in. So I pulled these out. These are rose gold. I thought those would look nice. And then if we get into a pinch, we can pull out the OG Happy Planner colorful boxes. I really would like to finish this book off. So we'll have this one on the sidelines. And before I start putting down my florals, I want to put down my boxes and then kind of decorate around those. So I know for sure I need 7 boxes. The set that I'm going to use out of here is going to be this one here. I love these colors. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out. And there are some birthday quotes and things of that nature in the back of this book, so we'll come back to these here shortly. But for starters, I want to get down, or get started putting down these, some of these boxes. I do need to cut these dots in half because I need quite a few dots. I'm just eyeballing it, but I think this will be good enough. Okay. All right, so first of all, for boxes, these are a little bit bigger than what's in this book. I guess it doesn't really matter. These colors are really close. I mean, they're not exact, but they're close enough that they're gonna blend. They're gonna blend really well. I think I'm gonna stick to the smaller ones. I don't think I really need too many of this size. Okay, let's get going. So I know that I need a box on the 4th, 14th. Some of these days I think I'm also going to have to put some bullet points down. Let's see, I'm going to get into these. I think I'm just going to pull out the sheet. I need 19. I was going to pull a monthly box for this one. I'll do this purple. I can get it down straight. Well, that didn't fit exactly. That's a little bit of a bummer. Let me see if I can try to center it now that I know it's not an exact match. Probably gonna destroy this thing. Okay, I think that'll work. Now I need to start pulling in these dots. Wow, look at that. I cut right through there. I told y'all I was heavy-handed. Okay, let's get started with these. These need to go on the 13th. I need 2. This is a busy month. And I like to put them at the top because something may come up and I do end up having to put another one down. Okay, I think that's it. Here's another one. I think that's okay for now. I'm gonna set this over here on the side. Okay, I wanted to put down some boxes for Labor Day, Patriot Day, and fall. Fall is a little one. Wow, he's really small. He might not even need a box. He's tiny. Let's wipe this out. Could use a green. Okay, and Patriot Day on the 11th. What do we have? We could do this green. Let's see, what was the other one? Oh, Labor Day. Labor Day is gonna have to be purple because I don't have any more of this size. Oh, and I need a dot or a little box. Well, let's see, I already have pink. How about this peach? That'll fit. I don't think so. I think I'll put a dot there. But I don't want this purple one because I've got a purple box. I think that's all the boxes for now. So I'm going to set these aside. I wanted to go back here and pick up a birthday sticker. That one goes there. I think I'm going to pull a birthday quote here in a little bit, but first let's start doing some of these decorative. Oh, and I forgot I pulled all these washies and things. More of this Girl Boss. I'm sorry, I keep calling it Girl Boss and I can't get used to the name change. Let's see, what colors do I have here? Ooh, that purple's pretty. So I wasn't sure if I wanted purple or what other, this dusty pink. I think I kind of liking the purple. I don't know, I'm just in a purple mood lately, it seems like. Okay, we're going to go purple and, oh, you know what? I was going to use these to highlight the days, but this isn't going to be big enough. And I don't know that I want to use two. That might look kind of weird. Well, now I may have to just think about that for a minute. Okay, we'll put those aside. Let's get some of this stuff down here. I like the balloon arch. Maybe I want to put it, well, shoot. I don't know where I want to put it. I have two of them. I can definitely put one up top. Let's do that. I'm going to cut off just a little bit of this white. That's a little empty, but it's okay for now. I'm not sure where I want to put all these little decorative pieces. I wonder if I want to put this one up here. I might not be able to write. I better put this, I'm going to put this down in the bottom corner. That might look a little odd, but that's what we're going to do. I currently don't have anything for the 28th, but I can put a little box there if I have to. I like this birthday cake. Just don't know where I want to put it. Oops, I have to write something there. I can't put it there. See, this is a really busy month. Guess it'll have to go down here. Hopefully nothing comes up on the 24th. One of my besties has her birthday on the 8th. Just covered up the 9th, but I think we'll be okay. If something comes up, I can put a dot down here. I guess I can put these little flowers here. I don't know if I want that overlapping. I really like all of these things, but since it's a monthly, I'm not quite sure where to fit it all. We've got balloons everywhere already, so I kind of feel like I don't want to do more balloons. The party hats are cute. The cakes are cute. I think these balloons are the same. Can we put these over here? That'll work for me. And I need to trim this. This is so plain. I wonder if this would fit up here. Oops, I just cut my page. Let's see. Let's get some more flowers. Okay, what else? What else? What else? I think we need a box over here. We have a long pink box, so we'll use that one. I think we're getting there. This is what we have left. So what are we gonna put where? That's cute, I think. I think I saw a quote. It'd be good if I could find something to put here. I saw something in here about when life gives you birthdays, eat cake or something like that. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. I don't need a birthday to eat cake. I love cakes. Oh gosh, it's crooked, it's crooked. Man, that thing's got some super stick-em on there. That's better. And I'll put the cake over here. All of these stickers are so cute, and I want to use them all, but I'm having a hard time figuring out where to put them. I may just have to do this washi up here. That one. I've also got this one. But if I put it there, it's only going to be a little here and a lot there. Now I don't know where to put my washi. I probably should have put this down earlier. Let's see. Let's just put it in some random places. My desk is a disaster. I might want a longer piece. I kind of want to put it here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. I won't be able to put it there. Okay, I'm going to put it here. Okay, that's good. And then I was thinking about going this whole row, but I'm not sure. Can't decide. I don't know. It's a little jankety. Maybe I'll think about that. I think I'm getting there. I'm not sure if I'm too crazy over that. These are just going in random places. Okay, we have a present, a drink. I really wish this bleed wasn't so thick. Is that broken? It is. It's on my finger. Oh, I don't know if I can fix that. Close enough. Oh. More thunder. We're getting rain. Oh gosh, that thing just stuck itself down. And these are sticky, so I'm not going to mess with it. It's going to have to stay there. I really wanted it at more of an angle. But that's really bugging me. Okay, all right, I think we're about to call this one done. I haven't used this present, but I don't know where I would put the present or these extra balloons. I think I'm going to put this down here. Can y'all hear that thunder? Okay, guys, I think we're going to call this one done. Appreciate y'all's patience while I got this thing together. I feel like I'm just all over the place today. I mean, it's a good thing I wasn't using more than one sticker book, right? Okay, let's put this back on the disc and see how it looks. I think it's going to be cute. Ta-da! So that's going to be my birthday spread for the month of September. I hope y'all like this Plan With Me. Thanks for joining me today. If you did like the Plan With Me, please let me know by clicking the like button and leave me a comment down below. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button and be sure to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!